Here's a rundown of electromagnetism's potential applications in the world. Electromagnetism is the phenomenon caused by the interaction between electricity and a magnet. When electricity in the form of a current and a magnet generating a magnetic field interact, it causes force. And to figure out the force, the direction of the force, we use a trick called Fleming's left-hand rule, named after John Fleming. When you point your fingers in this direction, you can figure out if you know either force, direction, or magnetic field. If you know any of the two, you can figure out which way the third is pointing. So if my current, this is your force, this is your magnetic field, and this is your electrical current. So if I know my current is pointing towards me, my magnetic field is pointing to the right, I know my force is pointing upwards. Here's an example of a DC motor. It consists of a copper wire covered in insulation, which is called magnet wire, two magnets, and then a voltage source that causes the current to flow through it. Here's an example of what the motor looks like turned on.
Oh my goodness.
It's fun though. It's very satisfying. See, it's not moving on this side. We thought it was moving by this one side. It only has like a minimal load.
Here's a motor that uses the concept of electromagnetism to convert electrical energy into mechanical. When electricity flows through a circuit in the form of current from here, it goes through this paper clip into the coil, through this side, and then into the ground. When electricity flows through this coil, it goes through the top and the bottom, and these magnets push on the coil in different directions, causing force and making it spin. However, since the force is equal in each direction, normally, at a certain point, the force would cancel out and make it stop moving. And to fix this, we scrape insulation off of one side. So for one part of the spin, force isn't generated, causing it to only push in one direction and constantly move. Motors are only one of many potential uses of electromagnetism, but even that one use has thousands of use cases. A motor could be used to replace a car engine, to power common devices such as fans, or power tools, or kitchen appliances. If we take the concept of a motor and invert it, where it converts mechanical energy into electrical, you get something called a generator. And using this, we could come up with potentially more eco-friendly options than using fossil fuels by converting mechanical energy from devices such as windmills into electrical energy.